If you're planning to repaint your home, fence, deck, or even an entire exterior, using a roller can take hours, or even days. Today we're reviewing the Graco Magnum X5 Airless Paint Sprayer, a professional-grade paint sprayer that delivers up to 3,000 PSI, features a durable steel piston pump, and is designed to spray paint directly from a 1-gallon or 5-gallon paint bucket. But can this airless sprayer really save you time while delivering a smooth, professional-looking finish? Let's find out. The Graco Magnum X5 is built for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and remodelers who want faster, more consistent painting without investing in expensive commercial equipment. Unlike traditional rollers or brushes, this airless sprayer atomizes paint at high pressure, helping cover large surfaces quickly with even results. Whether you're painting walls, ceilings, fences, decks, sheds, garages, cabinets, or house exteriors, the X5 is designed to handle a wide range of residential painting projects. Let's start with performance. The biggest highlight is the 3,000 PSI steel piston pump, which allows the sprayer to apply unthinned paint and stains directly from the container. That means less preparation time and more efficient painting. Another standout feature is the adjustable pressure control, allowing you to fine-tune the spray pattern for different materials and project sizes. The flexible suction tube lets you spray directly from either a 1-gallon or 5-gallon paint bucket, reducing interruptions caused by frequent refilling. The durable construction is built to withstand repeated DIY projects while maintaining consistent spray performance. Convenience is another major advantage. The sprayer supports long paint hoses, making it easier to move around larger homes or outdoor projects without constantly repositioning the machine. It also features power flush technology, allowing you to connect a standard garden hose for faster cleanup after painting. The compact design makes storage and transportation easier than many larger commercial airless sprayers. Whether you're repainting a room or tackling an exterior renovation, the Magnum X5 is designed to reduce painting time while maintaining a professional finish. In real-world use, the Magnum X5 delivers smooth, even paint coverage with significantly faster application than brushes or rollers. The adjustable pressure helps minimize overspray when properly set, while the powerful pump maintains consistent paint flow throughout longer projects. Because it sprays directly from larger paint buckets, you spend less time stopping to refill and more time painting. For fences, decks, siding, garages, basements, and full interior renovations, the X5 provides impressive speed and professional-looking results. As with any airless sprayer, proper masking and preparation are important to achieve the cleanest finish. So, is the Graco Magnum X5 Airless Paint Sprayer worth buying? If you're looking for a reliable airless sprayer that combines professional performance, high-pressure spraying, adjustable pressure control, and easy cleanup, the Magnum X5 is one of the best choices for DIY painters. Its ability to spray unthinned paint, work directly from large paint buckets, and complete projects much faster than traditional methods makes it an excellent investment for homeowners and frequent renovation projects. Whether you're painting interiors, exteriors, fences, decks, or furniture, the Graco Magnum X5 delivers speed, convenience, and high-quality results. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available discounts, you'll find the link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews of DIY tools, home improvement equipment, and workshop gear. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.